Good morning, internet. I'm in a city of Wisla, or maybe it's a village, I don't know. It's huge and big, but it's called Wisla. And I had some meetings with other radio guys here, but now I'm free. It's about noon and I've took my bike with me, so I'm gonna make a little trip. I don't know where. I'm close to the Slovakia's and Czech's border, so maybe I will go there. I haven't been there for a while, and I hope I will find some places, some people to make them portraits, and I will make some nice photographs. So I invite you to take this journey with me. So let's start and let's go. So we're close to the border now. We're leaving Poland and we're entering Česká republika, means Czech Republic. Hello, Czech Republic. We've been here in this place a few videos ago. Now we're leaving Czech Republic and we're entering Slovakia Republic, Slovensko. Welcome in Polish Slovakia. Also looks nice, isn't it? I found this place on the internet. I saw pictures. It's Manínska Gorge. I don't know how it is in Polish. I don't know how it's called in English. On the photos on the web, it looks quite nice. I hope the reality is the same. Cześć, mogę wam zrobić kilka portretów, zdjęć?
Da.
Where are you from?
We're from Slovakia.
Oh,
Trenčín.
Trenčín. I know Trenčín. Lovely city.
Yeah.
Room size was from Trenčín? No.
No,
Spójnie.
house.
A. Ja wam zrobię, mogę wam zrobić zdjęcia?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Z motocyklem? Super. Jeszcze pani, jak mogę, co? Może pani położyć... O, rękę, super. Dziękuję, wyślę, super. Miło było poznać. Szerokiej drogi. So, I'm on the place. I've made two portraits of two nice people from Trenčín. It's a nice city in Slovakia. You should go there someday. Bike is here, it's taking a rest. So let's go and maybe do some more photos. Mogę? Czy pani chce robić zdjęcie?
Ja już zrobiłam.
A zrobiła pani?
Tak.
A mogę ja pani zrobić?
Nie.
Czemu?
Nie.
No naprawdę nie? Ale ładne robię.
No właśnie pan też
Dobra.
chciał mi zrobić zdjęcie, ale no
Może pan się zgodzi na portrecik, co?
ja nie lubię zdjęcia.
Ja tak samo.
No,
Ale zrobię ładnie, wam wyślę.
Nie.
No to w takim razie szerokiej drogi.
Nawzajem dzięki.
Może pani się da namówić na portrecik?
Słucham?
Portrecik zrobimy. O, nie, ale to, ale
nie.
właśnie fajnie w kasku same oczy,
Nie,
jest
ja
super.
nienawidzę zdjęć.
Ciekawie, nie?
Dzisiaj coś nie masz.
Coś dzisiaj nie mam, nie, naprawdę.
Nie ma kogo upolować.
Ale nie, tam dwójka Słowaków się zgodziła na portret, więc... Ale to się zdarza, są takie dni, że coś w sobie mam i wszyscy mówią jasne rób, a są takie dni, że
Nie, trzeba
jak
trafić
dzisiaj.
na kogoś, kto lubi, nie? A ja bardzo się nie lubię na zdjęciach.
So I got 3 portraits of Slovakian and Czech riders, motorcyclists, and 3 of Polish motorcyclists. They refused to have portraits, but I got a few nice pictures, I hope. We will see later, I will put them on the computer. But the most important thing is that I got portraits in the camera, which is in the trunk at the rear of the bike. And the journey continues. This mountain looks like a pyramid. It's so regular. Don't you think? I hope you also can see this. Maybe it is an ancient pyramid, but now it's with forest on. She's wearing a forest. Very nice wallet, by the way. So
jedź dalej prosto.
I haven't found a place with bikers and with a lot of people there to make them photos. And I decided to get back to Poland. And maybe the border is in the front of us. We will see it in a moment. No. Yes, it's the border.
Jedź dalej prosto.
I've been riding through the forest and yes, I'm back, Mother Poland. Hello. It's me, your son, here. I've been riding without a purpose around some hills and some through the forest, randomly watching the GPS on my phone. And now it's late and I'm gonna get to the spa at the evening, so I decided to get back to Wisla. I got few portraits and that's super nice. I got some email addresses from the people. I will send them their photos. I had a very nice journey through Slovakia. That was awesome. 6 hours on the motorbike. I like it. So that's all now, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If yes, please subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. And take a look. It's a nice view here on a Wisla city. Yes, that's it. I like it.